last project at the farmhouse is the screen porch, right, Rick? The last project is the screen porch. So yesterday was getting all of these cross things up, and wow, the timbers. And today, precision lumbering, right? Getting the X's on the low farmhouse railing, which is brilliant. So that's what we're going to do. And hopefully we'll be finished by the end of the week with everything done, painted, the whole lot. So we're putting the screen on the screen porch. I did the first 3 on my own just so Rick and John could see what it's like. And now they're going to do the rest. I'm just kidding. Us. Look at that. It's going to be great, right, Rick?
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. John is taking to this.
Like
Those
a...
bugs will never get in from South Africa. Yeah.
So we're on to the last cross section one. How long, John?
What?
How long?
27.
Inches or centimeters now? Inches, eh? Yeah. And how many fingers you got before you do this? We just want to check, right, Rick?
That's right.
You get all the fingers?